Alright, hello. Welcome to some Gary's mod. And we're playing Prop Hunt. And I'm about to die here.
Where
So I'm
are
here with
you?
my fellow video gamer, Bogut. Would you like to say hi?
Hi.
Alright, so Bogut, do you have any idea of what we're playing right now?
I think I have to find you and kill you.
That's right.
You see me
so
yet?
I think I don't know. I'm kinda stuck, so you should about be able to spot me. So, okay, so let me explain real quick. This is Prop Hunt. 2 teams, hunters, props. Hunters kill the props. Props blend in to hide from the hunters. Rules though, if the props see the hunter, they have to taunt or tell the hunter. Or, if they want to give a hint, they have to make a pun about what prop they are.
You see me yet?
So right now, I am very... Oh shoot. I just saw you, Oh jeez. Come on. Oh shit. Oh my god. This is not gonna work out. I'm very comfortable to sit on, my friend. Would you like to sit on me? So for today, we're just gonna do 2 rounds as hunters and 2 rounds as props. So yeah, just to keep it short for you guys and brief, you know. So you alright with that, Bogut?
Yeah.
Alright. Yeah. I still can't believe you can't spot me right now. Like, I'm serious. Like, I can see you running around. You should really see me right now. Like, I'm stuck. I can't move anywhere. And I'm giving you a hint. I'm very comfortable to sit on.
I don't know.
Oh my gosh.
Where are you?
I was on the couch, dude.
You said you were
Stuck
stuck.
outside the main hallway. Yeah, I was stuck. You were in the wrong room, but I can see you. I'm serious. Oh man, look at that frame rate. Don't be so ratchet about killing props, man. Oh, it's funny. Alright. Jeez. 2, 3, 2, 1. Prepare yourself, my friend. I am lagging, though. Seriously lagging.
Oh. What the hell?
Whoa! I so totally thought that was you. That was so gay. Oh, you're never gonna get me.
Are you in this room?
know. I can't see you.
You're here. You're here.
Oh no. It's so deep, man. I don't know.
Where are ya?
Tell me. You gotta guess, man.
Oh my gosh! I was gonna hit that! I was about to hit that! Ah.
Invincible shelf. 3,000. Oh yeah. Amazing. Alright. It's gonna be my last round as a hunter then. I better make it good. And not kill myself this time. Jeez. Alright. I'm gonna find ya. And I'm gonna kill ya. And you're gonna die. Is it one of you? Where are ya? Where are ya? Oh my gosh! Oh, it's the worst place to be in.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
Where are you? Where are you? Where are you?
Oh my gosh! La 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 la.
Where are you? Is this you?
I still see you. I still see you.
Oh my gosh. Where are you?
I still see you. Oh my gosh.
Oh my. Where are you?
I don't see you anymore. I don't see you. I don't see you.
Hey. How about now?
Nope. Nope.
Oh, you left the room, didn't you?
Nope. Oh! Oh! Ah!
Where are you?
Safe! Safe!
Did you give me a pun?
Ah. Ah! A pun? Rolling on the floor laughing.
What?
Oh, no, 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 no! Oh, no, 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 no! Oh, no, no! Draw!
Oh my God.
Where are you? Do you see me?
No, I don't.
Do you see me?
No, I don't. I don't see you.
You see me?
Oh, I see you now.
Oh. What?
Yeah.
Oh, that was you! Oh my gosh, I thought you were one of the lampshades!
Oh my God, thanks.
I thought you were one of the lampshades!
I'm like frame reading right now. Alright. So, thank you for watching, everybody. That was the laggiest ending ever. So, it's a goodbye for now. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.
Bye-bye!